Daga na punta guys. Atong program karon hill repeats. Kapuya sa kito na kong kumaon. Warm ups ata 1.6 kilometers. Let's go! First hill climb guys. Done. Then slow jog panaog. Then second na Brian. 6 times mo to kaya baka. Second hill repeat guys. Let's go. Hill climb. Third hill climb. Fourth hill climb. Sa gulwalk na ni Ron Nagoy. Kapoy na kayo. Fifth climb guys. After ni last na dayon. One last hill climb guys. Let's go. Kaya na kaya. Humana guys. 6 laps. Cool down na lang. Jog slow. Naog. And then 1.6 km. Cool down. Jog or walk. Let's go. 1.6 cool down guys. Done. O kabalo pila ka km tanan. Pero satisfying kayo. Kapoy kay Permiro. Pero satisfying kay pagkahuman. Tanawan na lang ninyo sa screenshot ang stats guys. Maganda. Tala. Let's go.